Welcome back, deep dive investors. Today we're looking under the hood of Tesla, TSLA, one of the most talked about stocks on the planet. After a dramatic year of ups and downs, and fresh headlines from Elon Musk himself, is Tesla finally back in pole position? Or could the road ahead be bumpier than ever? Strap in as we break it all down. Let's set the stage. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, is now trading at $426.07 as of September 19th, 2025, having rebounded hard from earlier lows. The 52-week range is $330 to $489, showing both big volatility and big opportunity. Today, Tesla sports a market cap of around $1.36 trillion and still commands a premium PE ratio just above 90, reflecting the massive growth that investors are betting on. Tesla's business now stretches far beyond EVs, energy, AI, robotics, and even insurance, all feature under the hood. So what's driving the story in September? Huge news. Elon Musk just bought $1 billion worth of Tesla stock, his first open market purchase since 2020. He acquired 2.57 million shares, sending a direct message to Wall Street that he sees major upside in Tesla's direction. This vote of confidence helped TSLA erase year-to-date losses and sparked a sharp rally, with the stock surging 18% in just 5 days. Q3 2025 earnings delivered more fuel. Revenue hit $29 billion, up 20% year-over-year, powered by booming energy segment growth, Powerwall 3, Megapack, and robust demand for premium Model Y and the Cybertruck. Delivery numbers topped 510,000 units, including 40,000 Cybertrucks, keeping Tesla near the top of the EV leaderboard despite rising global competition. But short-term headwinds remain. Gross margins fell from 25% to 19% on higher tariffs, raw material costs, and ongoing price cuts to fend off Chinese and US rivals. Further margin pressure could come from looming tax credit expirations at the end of September and ongoing compliance with USMCA rules. Tesla is doubling down on AI and full self-driving. FSD subscriptions now exceed 1.2 million globally. The company is also preparing to launch an all-new, affordable EV post-September to shore up demand as the EV market matures. Despite margin pressure, the future is still full of innovation. Robotics and AI, Musk has doubled down on Tesla's pivot from just EVs to becoming a leader in autonomy and data-driven mobility. Expansion of Giga Berlin and localization efforts to address tariff and supply chain concerns. Consensus among 41 analysts sets the 12-month price target at $318, with the highest at $548 and the lowest at $19, showing plenty of debate about what's next. Goldman Sachs recently raised its price target to $395, noting long-term growth potential from robotics and autonomy, but still sees the stock slightly declining near-term. Bulls point to Musk's bet and Tesla's AI edge. Bears worry about near-term cash flow, margin compression, and global policy risks. So, is Tesla's comeback the real deal, or just a temporary jolt from Musk's latest moves? The valuation is still sky-high by any measure, but for true believers in the AI and EV revolution, the runway may still be long, if Tesla can execute. The Q4 earnings on October 22nd and the 600,000-plus delivery targets will set the tone for the rest of 2025. What's your take? Is TSLA a buy, hold, or time to take profits? Drop your thoughts below. Your comments could be featured in the next episode. And if you learned something new, hit subscribe for your daily dose of market wisdom. Remember, this is for education, not investment advice. See you tomorrow for another daily stock deep dive.